Hello, Skillshop. Looking a little better than earlier. Can we recall what we've been learning about recently? Value-based bidding. We just started a new activity that would be on. What would that new activity be on? Smart bidding? No, we're done with smart bidding. Oh, I got it. It's automatically applied recommendations. So automatically applying recommendations. Automatically applied recommendations. I think there's a different term for it, but so automatically applied recommendations. These are recommendations that are setting you can turn on to recommendations so that when Google has a new optimization recommendation, it just automatically gets applied. Cool. All right. It's not like a one size fits all. You don't have to turn on all recommendations to be automatically turned on. You can actually have like specific types of automatically applied recommendation turned on or off based on your goals. So you can have things like keywords and tracking recommendations automatically turn on. You can have ads and extensions turned on or off. And then there's two more main classes of automatic groups of automatically applied recommendations, but I haven't got that far yet. I don't think there can be any automatically applied recommendations for budget, or they don't change budget. Okay, so the benefits of automatically applied assets are going to be that saves you time and you're always keeping up to date on best practices from Google. All right, and then that was that activity. So then the activity we wrapped up before that was something to do with smart bidding, conversion value bidding, value-based bidding, overview of smart bidding, AI assisted smart bidding. But basically, it was like patience is power. You want to wait 2 to 3 conversion cycles before starting to assess performance. We don't know what a conversion cycle is, but I do have that as a question, so we'll figure it out. And then you also want to exclude the conversion delay period. That is like if it takes a week to fully have all the data on conversions, you got to exclude the most recent week from performance metrics. Patience is power is essentially the overview of both of those and assessing performance. Okay. So now I'll be back into apply recommendations automatically this activity, and then I'm going to go read, take more notes, and then I'll be back to recall. Wow, guys, that's another activity complete. Automatically apply recommendations. Another activity complete. We got 3 more now total. That's crazy. 3 more. That means we've done 16, I believe. Okay, anyway. The 4 categories of automatically apply recommendations are add an extension, targeting, and no, it's something and targeting. I already said this. Add and extensions, something and targeting, keywords and targeting, setup and settings, setup and something, and then budget and bidding, bids and budget. But bids and budget, you'll never be able to have automatically increase your budget cap. Okay. Automatically apply recommendations. These are an account level thing, not a campaign level thing. So they're going to apply to everything in the account. Setup and repair is the 4th category. And then, okay, ads and extensions, keywords and tracking, bids and budget, and then setup and repair. Those are all the 4 categories for recommendations, automatically apply recommendations. And then you can track which things have been automatically applied, how often they've been applied, how many times, when they got first applied automatically in the history tab of the recommendations section, I believe, the history tab. So another one complete. I'm gonna have to grab another piece of paper, but let's check out what we got next. Oh man, I'm excited to take this final exam on here. I'm dang excited to show what I've learned. This is the next activity, optimize budgets with performance planner. So I bet you there's gonna be simulators in here talking about projections. Let's just check this one out, see how long it is, and then I'll get into it a little bit. Don't have a ton of time left today now. I've only got about 6 minutes, 5 minutes and a half. I just don't understand why Google Skillshop has to take so long to load stuff. It's kind of ridiculous. What is this course about? Demonstrate your mastery of building and optimizing Google search campaigns. Certified users will exhibit the ability to leverage automated solutions like smart bidding to boost campaign performance for specific marketing objectives. Hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna hit refresh here in a second. Refresh. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. Crazy. It's crazy how Google takes this long. As a $1 trillion company, they can't figure out how to make this stuff load faster. There we go. Oh yeah. This is one of those different styled ones that has a lot more interactiveness, questions. Yeah. Optimize budgets with performance planner. Let's do it. I'll be back in a sec. All right, guys, kind of lost track of time, but timer went off. Anyway, this whole activity is about the performance planner. The performance planner can project and forecast predictions of performance up to 18 months in the future, and it uses machine learning reinforcement training of prediction versus actual results to continuously improve on its predictions. So that's all we got through today on that activity. That's it for today. I'll talk to you later. See you.